from glaciers to deserts, from ocean to forest. The Earth is undergoing dramatic environmental changes. Plastic objects are eroding the balance of the Earth, and log mining is destroying the ecosystem of the Earth. Once an oasis, now full of steel and cement. The planet we live on has never been as fragile or precious as it is today. And what shall we do? Aluminum, the most abundant metal element in the crust, has been relating to human productive activities from the beginning of the birth of human civilization. In the last thousands of years, aluminum has been more and more favored by all walks of life based on its corrosion resistance, lightweight, and strong plasticity. It has been found that adding a little quantity of copper, manganese, or magnesium metal in the aluminum smelting process can make various aluminum alloys with stronger hardness and better performance. Since then, aluminum has become one of the most widely used metal elements. From space rockets to cans, from aircraft to pots and pans. Aluminum, based on its excellent physical properties and the advantage of recycling for environmental protection, has become ubiquitous before you know it. With the extensive application of aluminum products, China's aluminum processing industry is also developing rapidly. Aluminum processing industry often needs huge amount electric power as a support, so it is usually accompanied by power plants. The aluminum factory processes the mined aluminum ore into alumina powder and converted into primary aluminum by electrolytic aluminum process. According to the requirements of different kinds of craft, the primary aluminum will enter the aluminum deep processing workshop as the form of liquid or solid. After casting and rolling production, the molten aluminum is transformed into cast rolling stock with thickness of 2.5 to 7.0 millimeters. It is then rolled at low temperature in a cold rolling production line and processed into semi-finished products with a thickness of 0.25 to 1.5 millimeters. Then through the finishing processes, such as tension leveling, shearing, and annealing, the toughness and flatness of the products are improved while cleaning the surface. And aluminum sheet and strip products that meet the needs of some customers are produced. The foil rolling production line will further thin the aluminum plate and ship products and produce aluminum foil with thickness of 0.006 to 0.01 millimeter. Cut into various specifications of aluminum foil products. Different width and gauge of aluminum, foil products come out. Through a series of processing, qualified aluminum plate, strip, and foil products can be sent to the world after professional packaging. Every time we look down upon the Earth from a height of several kilometers, we will marvel at its magnificence. We have got so much from our land. Environmental protection and sustainable development for creating a beautiful home planet will not only benefit human beings, but also for all life on the planet. Luoyang Longding Aluminum Company Limited, linking the world, building the dreams, delivers the power of dedication and perseverance for the creation of community with a shared future for mankind. Longding Aluminum, founded in 2010 and covers an area of 1,000 mu, 167 acres, has been invested 4.2 billion yuan. Relying on the advantages of power and electrolytic aluminum industry agglomeration in Yichuan, Henan, it has formed an annual production capacity of 400,000 tons of aluminum plate, strip, and foil. Longding Aluminum took the lead in introducing the first Hazlet continuous casting and rolling line in Asia. Compared with the traditional hot rolling process, it has a series of characteristics such as energy saving, high throughput, and excellent performance. Longding Aluminum has 22 casting and rolling production lines. All casting and rolling production lines are equipped with Mitsui, Altec, and other internationally and domestically well-known degassing and filtering systems, which can produce high-quality CTP substrate, light-gauge foil, decorative plate, and other materials. 10 sets of cold rolling production lines are all equipped with Siemens shape meter and American Thermo Fisher thickness gauge, as well as a variety of finishing equipment such as tension leveling line and slitting and shearing line, and 27 sets of annealing furnace with capacity of 30 tons, 50 tons, and 100 tons. 8 foil rolling lines, equipped with imported shape meter and thickness gauge, as well as finishing equipment such as slitting machine and reverse winding machine, and 35 sets of annealing furnaces with a capacity of 50 tons for each set. 10 coating production lines. There are 3 sets of coating machines with width 1850 millimeters, 2 sets of coating machines with width 1600 millimeters, 5 sets of coating machines with width 1350 millimeters, 5 sets of slitting machine, and 1 set of oiling machine. The current product categories include 1100, 3102, 8006, 8011 alloyed organic and inorganic hydrophilic aluminum foils with blue, gold, ivory, and other colors, and aluminum foil for lunchboxes. With domestic high-quality inspection department, adopting international first-class testing equipment, and be responsible for every customer. At present, Longding Aluminum owns the capacity 150,000 tons of aluminum foil for food and pharmaceutical packaging, 120,000 tons for air conditioning radiator, 90,000 tons for printing CTP plate, and others including deep and shallow punching material, embossing material, bottle cap material, glass spacer, cable tape, etc. for 40,000 tons. What is the idea of aluminum for you? Is it the foundation of a modern city? Is it the enjoyment of eating delicious food? Is it the pleasure of a cool breeze on a hot summer's day? For Longding, every piece of aluminum foil represents our dedication to quality and reputation to society. It is a full operation of 50 production lines and 1,500 employees working at full capacity. It is a wonderful symphony, played by the collision of modern industrial assembly lines. In the field of air conditioning, Longding cooperates with Gree, Medea, TCL, Haier, and other first-line brands. Packaging field, Reynolds, Wola, Ningbo Times. Printing, Lucky Wagwang, Shanghai Strong State Printing, Hunan Huida Printall, Aluminum Process Industry. Zhongwang Group, Korea, Dongil, Dongwon Aluminum. As many domestic well-known enterprises have established long-term and stable cooperation with Longding Aluminum. Mutual trust with customers is not only the foundation of Longding's cooperation, but also the deposits of its development. Today, Longding products are exported to overseas. Customers are covered all over the world. Innovation drives development, and striving achieves the future. With the strong support from our scientific research team, Longding has become first-class enterprise in the domestic aluminum industry. Longding has a backbone of well-known domestic experts, such as professors and senior engineers, and aluminum industry innovation team with researchers and engineering technicians. In 2014, the Technology Research and Development Center was established, which won many honors and recognized in the aluminum industry, and continually won the China Aluminum Foil Innovation Award 5 times from 2017 to 2021. Longding has established a specific distribution system and a regional warehouse, which is more than 33,000 square meters, and daily shipment can reach 4,000 tons. From the online order to the warehouse unified distribution, Longding's storage system spares no efforts to serve you at any time. When unswerving original intention accompanied with precise, when great dreams collide with reality, Longding believes that the power of brand can change the world. From raw materials to processing, from finished products to transportation, every change is Longding's reinterpretation of brand power. Luoyang Longding Aluminum Industries Company Limited,